Hi, I'm Mike McConville, Director of New Category Development with Horizon Hobby. And in this video, we're going to show you how to program any of the recommended Spektrum radios to work with the Sportsman S Plus. Okay, let's get started. So a few quick steps and the transmitter will be programmed and ready to use with the Sportsman S Plus. So the first thing we're going to do is hold down the roller and turn on the transmitter, and that takes us to the System Setup menu. So from the System Setup menu, we scroll down to Channel Assign. We press the roller to select that, and we roll down to the bottom where it says Next, press the roller again to select that. On that screen, we move the roller once and it takes us to Gear. We press the roller once, which selects gear. Now we're going to assign gear to the switch we want to control the flight modes. So we flip that switch. As you can see, as we flip it with the Spektrum radio, it auto selects the switch that you flipped, so now it says B. And that one's set. Now we roll again to aux1. We want to press the button again. The box flashes telling us we can now assign aux1. This is the channel that's used to trigger auto land and holding pattern. So that's the button. So we press the button, it auto selects that, now it says I. Now we just have a few more steps and we're good to go. So we press the back button twice to take us to the home screen. Now from the home screen, we press the roller to take us to the menu, and we go to Servo Setup. From Servo Setup, we roll once, put the box around Travel, press to select that, and we roll 2 times to get to Reverse. Once we've selected Reverse, we scroll the roller down to aux1, we press it once to reverse aux1 channel. Now just one more quick step and we're ready to fly. So we press the back button once, move the roller to go to dual rate and expo. Now here we're going to set dual rates. So for each channel, so first aileron comes up, so we scroll down first to the switch, it says on, press the roller once to select it, and we move the switch. We're going to use the F switch. So we flip that, it auto selects, and now that's assigned to F. So we roll back up to the dual rate values. We'll put the switch in the low position because that's the switch position we want to assign to be low rate. So from there, we select those values and we move the roller to set them to 70%. Now we roll up to highlight aileron, select it, and go to elevator, and we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to assign them all to the same switch, to the same position. So in that switch position, we roll elevator down to 70%. And now we repeat again for rudder. So again, select the switch, roll up to the dual rate value, make sure that switch is in the position we want for low rate. Roll to 70%. And we're done. Now we press the back button twice, back to the home screen, and we're ready to bind it and go fly. And that's just how simple it is. And this works with any of the recommended Spektrum transmitters, the DX6, DX7, DX9, DX10T, DX18, and DX18T. Go to HobbyZoneRC.com for more helpful videos.